First press Alt-Control-Delete. Click on Task Manager. End all the Valorant and Riot Games processes. Now close your Task Manager. Open Start and type Run. Open Run. Type services.msc. Locate the VGC service. Right-click it and select Properties. In Startup type select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. Start the service. Close your Task Manager. If that didn't work, open a folder. Go to your C drive. Open Riot Games. Open Valorant. Open your bin folder. Open your shooter game folder. Open your binaries folder. Open your Win64 folder. Right-click your Valorant executable. Select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Select Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Select Run this program as administrator. Press Apply and then OK. You can also try to disable your antivirus.